Hey guys, welcome to another episode of KP Tips. My name is Kiara and I'm going to talk to you all about unicorns, or more or less unicorn content. Unicorn content was a term popularized by Larry Kim. Hey Larry! And it's basically used to describe some content that outshines other pieces of content. This particular content is rare, valuable, and magical, just like the unicorn, right? So how's this measured? Success, duh. This means that content reaches a high level of success through clicks, shares, or whatever you measure your success with. When you find a potential unicorn amongst your content, Knucklepuck recommends 3 things to take advantage of. Number 1, if the content performs well on one channel, make sure that you cross-promote it to achieve max visibility. Number 2, create social media ads to promote your content to a wider audience. And number 3, write additional pieces of content and guest blogs surrounding that particular topic. We hope that these tips helped you and your content marketing in the future. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.